Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Carne Asada Tacos. All right, so we're going to get started on our marinade. We're going to start with a 1/4 cup of olive oil, around a 1/4 cup of finely chopped coriander. We're going 5 cloves of freshly minced garlic, and then the juice of 2 limes. And then to that, I'm going to add around a tablespoon worth of my steak shooter rub. If you don't have this, you can add around a teaspoon of cumin, a pinch of chili powder, and then some salt and pepper to taste. And then we're going to add our steak. Now, typically, you'd use some flank steak or some skirt steak, but you can also use some hanger steak, or in this case, I'm using some oyster blade, which is also known as flat iron steak, when you sort of separate this through the middle and remove that bit of gristle, which we'll do later on. So we're just going to give this a good mix and let this sit in the marinade for around an hour. You can do this for as little as an hour or up to 4 hours, and then we're going to grill it. All right, so that's going to go in the fridge for around an hour, and then we'll be back. All right, our steak's been marinating for close to an hour. So what we can do now is get our barbecue ready. We're going to be using the Rambler today. So we'll get a couple of firelighters going. And then we'll get our charcoal chimney on. All right, and after about 10 minutes, our charcoal's ready, so we'll dump that in. We just want to spread that out nice and even. Then we'll get our grates on. I reckon I'll lower our charcoal basket down by 1 notch and give our grates a couple of minutes to heat up. And now we can get our steaks on the grill. So this is going to go on to medium to high heat. We're going to flip these around every 30 to 45 seconds. Until they're around 125 Fahrenheit internal or 52 degrees Celsius. All right, and after about 5 minutes, these are done, so they can come out. I'm going to put them in a tray just to rest while we do a few other things, and then we'll come back to serve them up. All right, so you'll have to excuse the rain, but now while our steak's resting, we are just going to get half an avocado into a bowl. Squeeze that out, a pinch of salt, and we'll just mash that all around. We'll finally dice some white onion. We'll crumble some feta cheese, and then we'll toast some tortillas. All right, and now we can lay down a base of our avocado. We'll get our steak out, and we'll just slice either side of that gristle that runs down the middle. As you can see, beautifully cooked. And then we're just going to dice it up into small little strips. That's going to go onto our tortillas next. Some of that white onion. Some feta cheese. Obviously, if you can get cotija cheese, go ahead with that, but it's quite hard to get here in Australia. And then some fresh coriander leaves. Now it's time to taste. All right, this looks and smells incredible. That's such a good combo, and that steak's got so much flavour in it. You've definitely got to try that one. That's such a quick and tasty meal. Well, there you have it. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. Definitely give that one a shot. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. But for now, that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.